space lanes emitting laser beams all over the galaxy. Conscious signals, sadly, however, we as humans are not capable of comprehending them. Andromeda, our galactic neighbor, we are able to observe without a telescope in our skies, which is interesting. However, things have gone from interesting to disturbing and alarming. KATU has shown that the James Webb Space Telescope has acquired disturbing signals coming from Andromeda. And these signals turn out to be much more dangerous than ever before expected. Accompany us on this journey to learn the truth about these alarming signals and the possibility of a distant future, scarier than we could have ever imagined. Andromeda is a huge planet in space with fascinating characteristics that stand out in the vast universe as well. It is the Mare 31, or M31, the largest galaxy in our region. With an impressive diameter of approximately 220,000 light-years, a true celestial wonder in terms of its cosmic magnitude. Despite the fact that it is located at a significant distance from Earth, it's about 2.5 million light-years away from where it is in the universe, beyond the galactic limit of our neighborhood. Its size may be fascinating as well as frightening. Andromeda's structure is similar to our own Milky Way galaxy, with a spiral bar setting up this feature. Highlighted by a central bulge of matter surrounding a flat disk containing stars, gas, and cosmic dust. Its symmetrical structure demonstrates the remarkable complexity of this galaxy. In terms of its stellar population, Andromeda is home to an extremely large number of trillion stars, significantly more than the number of stars in our own Milky Way galaxy, with approximately 250 billion stars. This explains why it is so visible from Earth, since its brightness is undoubtedly greater. But the grandeur and luminosity of a galaxy are not the only intriguing characteristics it possesses. Open space hides many secrets, and each galaxy has different and surprising peculiarities. At the core of the concentrated bulge of the Andromeda Galaxy, the matter stands out in the spiral structure of the galaxy, shedding light on the central bulge's distinctive appearance. It is thought to have a high concentration of stars that have been influenced by the galaxy's gravitational pull itself. Due to the abundance of stars in the galaxy, it should come as no surprise that a percentage of them cluster together. Additionally, from this bulge there are hundreds of globular clusters dispersed across the Andromeda Galaxy, which are spherical collections of stars held together because of gravity. So, despite being an immense galactic beast, the Andromeda Galaxy is not alone in space. In fact, it has an entourage of at least 14 known satellite galaxies orbiting it, forming intriguing cosmic interactions between the main galaxy and its satellites. These play an important part in the development of their distinct structures, contributing to the abundance of cosmic phenomena in the Andromeda system. The existence of a dwarf galaxy ring around Andromeda has been discovered. These dwarf galaxies are relatively small in size and absence compared to Andromeda and the Milky Way. This ring suggests gravitational interaction between Andromeda and these dwarf galaxies, indicating that the galaxies are under the gravitational influence of Andromeda, most likely as a result of the immense pull of this galaxy, known as the Ring of Dwarf Galaxies. The exact nature and mechanisms that contributed to the development of this ring are still under investigation and analysis by scientists to advance our understanding of galaxies. Dark energy and Andromeda's role in the formation of stars. 2. Potent instruments from the galaxy are being used: the James Webb Space Telescope and the Dark Energy Spectroscopic Instrument. These instruments play a crucial role in the study and investigation of cosmic phenomena, allowing the mystery surrounding the Andromeda Galaxy and its companion environment to be investigated with greater precision and detail. The James Webb Space Telescope is regarded as the strongest telescope ever made, and it is designed primarily to observe the universe in the infrared spectrum of the electromagnetic spectrum. This feature enables it to investigate the first galaxies, formed at the beginning of the universe, by detecting the faint light emitted. What is the distance between these galaxies? The telescope's goal is to provide valuable perspectives on the formation and evolution of galaxies, including the Andromeda Galaxy, and the data it collects will contribute to our comprehension of processes that are responsible for shaping the universe over time. On the other hand, the Dark Energy Spectroscopic Instrument, or DESI in short, is a particular instrument designed to investigate galaxies and dark energy. DESI uses optical spectroscopy, which involves disassembling galaxy light into its various wavelengths in order to analyze spectra of millions of galaxies. Through this massive spectroscopic study, astronomers can measure the distances to galaxies and collect data regarding their chemical properties. For example, composition, formation, history, and motion. This analysis of the distribution and the galaxy's motion reveals the enigmatic nature of dark energy, an enigmatic force that drives the accelerating expansion of the universe. In the particular setting of the Andromeda Galaxy, observations by DESI have provided fascinating insights into the migratory history of its stars. Through investigating the individual star spectra, DESI can reveal information about their chemical composition and origins. This allows astronomers to investigate the past of star formation and follow the movement of stars within Andromeda. By learning more about the migration patterns and stellar populations, scientists gain a better understanding of the formation and evolution of the galaxy and the interactions it has with neighboring galaxies. In addition, recent studies have provided persuasive evidence for the existence of a star halo in the Andromeda Galaxy that bears similarities to that of our own Milky Way galaxy. This discovery has illuminated the nature of change in galaxies through the most complex interactions and observations between them. Simulations suggest that a significant number of stars found in the stellar halo in the outer Andromeda regions have relocated from tiny satellite galaxies that were gravitationally taken captive by Andromeda. Over time, dwarf galaxies merge, with the Andromeda Galaxy taking their stellar populations with them. This galactic process, known as galactic accretion or merger, is believed to be common in the universe and shapes the structures and characteristics of galaxies, including Andromeda. The presence of stars from other galaxies that are the result of interactions and mergers with smaller companion galaxies helps researchers comprehend the mechanics and distribution of stars and the stellar halos of galaxies like Andromeda and the Milky Way. By studying the star populations in the stellar halos, astronomers can trace the history of galactic interactions and mergers that have shaped these galaxies over time. The stellar halo, an ancient structure, includes stars that have been taken in by stars or smaller satellite galaxies clusters, and their properties can provide useful information regarding the history of galaxy mergers and the process of assembling. This galaxy merger has been a key factor in the evolution and development of galaxies like Andromeda and has helped to shape the features and structures observed in them. By making in-depth observations and computer simulations, scientists can examine the chemical makeup, age, and movement of the stars that make up the stellar halos. These data allow them to recreate the order of events in galactic mergers, identifying the progenitor galaxies that contribute to populations of stellar stars and comprehend the physical procedures that go into such mergers. Now, this approach is of paramount significance because if this enormous galaxy ever enters contact with our own, it would be absolutely necessary to be prepared with all of the knowledge. What do you think? Let us know in the box marked comment. If you enjoyed the video, share it by clicking the like button to reach more people, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more useful material like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.